All right, Brandon with Davidson Audio again, and we have another completed bike. This one is Mr. Warner's 2023 Indian Pursuit in that nice icon pearl white with the black and red accents on it. This bike's very familiar if you've watched any of Riding Fish's videos. You've seen it before. It's not his bike, but the same color scheme. Absolutely love this color. So what we did on this one is Mr. Warner came down, dropped the bike off with us for a couple of days. We just did a simple 4-speaker build, fairing and OEM lowers. Same 800 watt 4-channel amplifier to power everything, DSP, the usual that we do. So let me turn this around, show you what we did, and then we'll give you a couple of songs and wait till Mr. Warner gets here, have him demo it and get his reactions. So again, we went with just a 4-speaker setup. We got a set of the Cicada Audio compression horn driver, 6.5s in the fairing. And the OEM lowers, we went with the Cicada Audio 5.25 compression horn style coax speakers with the OEM speaker enclosures and the black OEM speaker grills to cover it up. We really like this setup because it's a complete front stage, so that way when you're riding, all the sound is traveling with the wind right towards you and your passenger. Gives you a nice front staging, so that way you can make sure you hear everything while you're going down the road. Because like I've said before, when you get into the saddlebag lids, the angle at which the speakers are shooting up, it's fighting the wind, so it kind of deflects back and you don't hear as much. It does give you a nice surround sound feeling, but we really like to focus on the front staging of this. So let's go ahead and play you a couple of songs.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying.
All right, so we just got done chit-chatting and got to listen to this system, so we'll ask him what were your thoughts on the system. What are your thoughts of the whole experience?
Sounds great. You did an awesome job.
Awesome. Well, he's going to be heading off to Sturgis. We wanted to get him in just beforehand, so you'll get to actually go see Lloyd and all them up at the Buffalo Chip, and probably all the other cool places up there to ride. So
I actually bought my first Challenger from them.
heck yeah! So you had to go up there and see Tim and Lloyd again then.
Well, they were in Charlotte.
Yep.
That's where I bought them.
Heck yeah! That's awesome.
They were excellent.
Oh yeah, good peoples. You'll get to see his bike there. We did the audio system for his new bike at the Buffalo Chip. Yep.
Oh.
So you get to see it this year. Y'all have to stay tuned for that. I'm not going to say much about it. I can't wait to see the paint job on it. He's posted some pictures of it with no color. It looks super awesome, and y'all have to stay tuned to that. So with that, this video is a wrap. We did another good job on this bike. Like I said, this color is absolutely amazing. So y'all stay tuned to the next one. He's going to get on the road now.